Hello, this is Arthur again. Today, this video I wanted to make to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. I have 1,000 subscribers already, which was a huge deal for me. And also going to show off my new steering wheel that I just installed in my X5. It's an OEM one from the dealer. I decided to go with the M Sport steering wheel. This car already had a sports steering wheel in there with pedals, and it was heated, but it didn't have the nappa leather, and it also had the silver strip here, which is fine. I was okay with the steering wheel. However, since I was upgrading the steering wheel or getting a new one, decided to go with slightly different one. So I found an M Sport 2013 X5 that has the same options as mine, the shifters and the heater, and I used that VIN to order a steering wheel from the dealership directly. I had to buy this leather covered piece separately as well. It was kind of expensive, around $1,300, but I think it's worth it. It really lifts up the interior of the car. It feels great, very soft. These buttons are reused from the old steering wheel. These ones are in great condition, it doesn't have any peeling. I did have to put this piece new, and the airbag is reused, and the buttons. The rest is a direct play, pretty much plug and play. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'll show you the old steering wheel. It's the S-Class I'm working on. The old steering wheel still looks pretty decent. It's starting to show a little bit of discoloration on top. It does have 125,000 miles on it, and I wanted it to look fresher. This one I'm probably gonna sell it. I don't know yet. Next, for the X5, it's gonna be not much to do on it, really. I'm probably gonna refinish the headlights. It's starting to show a little bit of the discoloration here. I might end up getting new headlights if I don't like the way it comes out after refinishing, but so far they don't look too bad yet. I do have those new wheels on it that I installed. I don't know if some of you saw. I had a cracked wheel. It wasn't bad, but I decided to go with the whole new set all around OEM, and that really uplifted the cleanliness of the car overall. Do have my brand name on the frame. Overall, very happy with this car. Just a quick look under the hood. I did have to install a new valve cover recently since the PCV was failing. That's about it. Thanks again for subscribing, commenting and liking my videos. Really appreciate it. It's really hard to build up a new channel, especially with automotive content, since there are so many great creators on YouTube. But I'm glad it's moving and people seem to enjoy watching some of the videos that I post. Thank you so much. Bye.